So an important thing to note with the dumbbell bench press is that you really want to control the weight on the way down. You want to really control that eccentric and get a big stretch at the bottom position. And you want a full range of motion to where the dumbbells are touching your chest. And then you explosively press up. So we get a nice big eccentric stretch on the chest and press out. Also, notice how my elbows are tucked to a position that allows me to get the maximal amount of stretch and tension on the chest. Because if I flare my elbows, now I'm putting some stretch on the chest, yes, but there's also going to be a lot of tension and stretch on the anterior deltoid, and that's not what we're trying to train. So pick an angle of abduction that is most comfortable for you and allows you to get the best stretch in the chest. For most people, this is going to be 45 degrees of abduction between the upper arm and the torso. So the form is going to look like this.